So how are you? How are you?
I'm good. How are you? After a long time.
Yes, after a long time. Where have you been?
Um, 9 to 10 days I was busy just because all are suffering from fever and viral is going on nowadays. After that, me and mummy was busy just because my in-laws was came for Karwa Chauth, and for 2 3 days we were busy for that. And yesterday was Karwa Chauth. That time Saturday and Sunday I was really busy. Now I'm back to track. Now I'm free.
Now you're back on track, huh?
Yes.
And say for past few days or past few weeks. अगर ऐसे बोलो ना पिछले हफ्तों से पिछले दिनों में
Okay.
few days or past few weeks.
Okay. Yes, past few weeks. Okay.
Okay, not bad. So how did you celebrate Karwa Chauth? Tell me something about it.
Yesterday I wake up at 4 o'clock for my surgery, which
Woke
was
up.
I woke up at 4 o'clock for my surgery, which was given by my in-laws. And that time, I brushed my teeth and I ate sargi. And I
What
ate
is Sargi?
sargi is we can call sweet or salty.
Always
Biscuit.
explain in English, okay? Because in IELTS you will be required to like say the same things we are discussing. So whatever you
Okay.
say in English.
Okay. They given to me. They given to me. मठियों को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में मठियाँ और फिरनियाँ and
So that will just like Indian dishes if you because there is no like in English country they do not sell this. So they are just sweet dish, okay? Or sweet snacks. You can say snacks.
okay.
You can
And after that, uh, I woke up at 8 o'clock and I took my shower. I take a bath and हाँ जी.
keep going.
And after that I pressed my clothes and I first of all I wear my bangles and I finished my makeup. And after that I get ready for office and I reached office at 11 o'clock. And the event was going on and it was really awesome for all the females who who were fasting. And the whole day raining is too raining was really very uh, fast. And after 3 o'clock I came back to my home just because I have to listen I have to listen story of Karwa. And after 5 o'clock I ate fruits. And 8:45 uh, I given a
Okay,
milk
that's
call
fine.
to
In IELTS, you're not gonna be required. We will discuss that. Don't worry. So there are few things. Okay, you wore bangles. Okay, when you say
my
चूड़ियां पहनी, you wore bangles. Okay, past में wore.
past में हो गया.
और जब makeup लगाते हैं, then you say I put on makeup.
I put on makeup on my face.
और वैसे I wore makeup ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. ऐसे बोलते हैं I put makeup on my face. Okay, I put makeup on my face.
I put makeup on my face. Okay.
ऐसे बोलते हैं. एंड अगर जैसे बारिश बहुत तेज हो रही थी तो इसमें ईडियम आता है इट वाज रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग का मतलब होता है मूसलाधार. वहां पे
मूसलाधार. It was raining cats or dog.
कैट्स एंड डॉग्स.
Cats and dog.
मतलब मूसलाधार वर्षा हो रही थी.
सारा दिन बारिश होती रही. सारा दिन शाम को रुकी थी.
So why do you tell me about this tradition? Why do females fast for their husband in Indian culture?
The um all old women say to us, if we were fasting for our husband, it become a long alive, and it's basically for husband who are married, or we can say who are engaged.
Say again. Who are?
Engaged, or we can say who are married.
But why do females fast for their husband? Why? What is the reason behind it?
They said if we are fasting for our husbands, they are long alive. They
Yeah,
live a long alive. They live long, or we can say they live a long alive.
they live long.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
why we all females
So how
fasting for our
was it
husband.
for you to stay without food? How hard was it for you to stay without food?
It's not too hard for me. Otherwise, I was really I am very foodie girl. But yesterday, I don't think so. I crave
Crave good. You were
I crave for food, or I feel thirsty, or I feel hungry. After 8 o'clock, that time I feel I was really hungry. But 8:30, maybe 8:30 or 8:45, moon is came, and I started video call on my husband, and I तोड़ दिया fast. इसका क्या होगा?
you broke the fast. That's it.
I broke the fast.
Hmm. Okay. So one last question: do you feel any benefits from fasting? Are there any benefits do you see from fasting?
According to me, there is no benefit, but if all the women think about their husband life, it's a traditional, it's a Indian culture which followed by all the females.
Now there is a benefit. You just do not. This is called detoxification.
Yes.
The you did not for the time you did not, your body was eliminating toxins from your body. Okay,
Okay.
you don't know, but this is how body works. It's proven.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever say how what are the benefits of fasting, it removes toxin, which is the root cause of all disease. That's why everyone has disease. Those kidney stones,
Hmm.
typhoid, any kind of bacteria or diseases because of the toxins or bad stuff you eat. Here's an
Okay.
cue card.
Okay.
Describe your favorite day of the week. Which day it
Okay.
is? Why do you like it? What do you do on this day? And compare it with the other day.
Hmm.
So 1 minute, think about it for 1 minute. And then
Okay.
when I sense part, you can use pen and pencil, okay?
But I don't have now.
Okay, tomorrow. But
Just,
always pen and pencil to write down what you're going to talk about.
okay.
Okay, start speaking.
Yes, sir. As I am working in a real estate company, so that I would like to explain about my favorite day, which is Monday. Monday is my favorite day because Friday, Saturday, Sunday is our working day. Working days, we can say mainly working days, which all the clients came for this site visit, and after 3 days we feel free at Monday, because Monday is working day for all the clients, and Monday is not a very headache day for us, and Yes, I really liked it. And Monday, we all female prefer to enjoy our day, and uh, we all make our videos and listening music on our laptops. And if I would like to compare with the others day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is really hectic day for us, and Tuesday, Wednesday for calling day, and we can say we followed for all the clients. And Thursday again we call those clients who came for this site visit, and who want to come for 3 BHK and 4 BHK flats. That's why I really like the Monday. Monday is very good day for us.
Okay. So let's talk about, now let's move on to discussion. How do you basically deal with the clients?
Uh, if somebody showing interested in apartment, we would like to prefer firstly call her or him and ask about their budget, and ask about their which they are looking for, three or four. 50% we can say complete our uh, client inquiry over the phone. After that, we prefer to invite him or her for site visit. And when he came for site visit, we showing our sample flat to them. And after that, we discuss about prices and uh, other uh, other uh,
Other like financial things or
yes, financially facilities and other terms and conditions.
very good. What are the terms and conditions before you buy?
If you are interested for buy a flat in our company, you have to pay 10% for your agreement, and after that you have to pay 25% in a month. And you can choose a payment plan according to your comfortable. And we explain our all the payment plan with you. And you have to pay GST in your with your first installment. And we bring you should have bring Aadhaar and PAN card. You should bring Aadhaar card and PAN card with you if you want to buy a flat in our company.
Okay. How many flats have you sold for, and how many people currently live there?
I have sold 85 flat in 3 years. And seriously, they are really good clients, which I have been sold to those clients. And they
I
are
have अगर ऐसे बोलेगी ना, आई हैव बीन सोल्ड, आई हैव सोल्ड, ओके, मतलब तू कह रही मैंने अपने आप को बेच दिया। Okay, I have sold them, okay, and I have sold them all the flats, or I have sold them it.
I have sold them. I have sold them flat.
So so what is their opinion after they have started to live there? What is their opinion of the live?
Their opinion after possession, they think about which I showed to them. They think they delivered exactly which they shown before purchasing.
Which was shown before the purchase. Okay. So and how many units are still left, and how you guys plan to sell them?
Only 50-60 flat are left. And nowadays our prices are increased. According to me, it's overpriced.
How do you plan Okay, but how do you plan to sell them in future?
According to me, there is only limited inventories are there. Only we have 5 BHK, which according to me is everybody not prefer to purchase 5 CR flat. In 5 CR we can purchase so many commercial, residential or independent koti
But
we can
I'm
purchase.
asking, what is the plan? You're telling me about the flaws, but what is the plan to sell them? What you guys have been discussing? How?
Uh, we actually, to be very frank, our builders planning to purchase a new land, and they are looking for good apartment and luxury apartment. uh, they 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 said to us, you have lots of time, you can sold
Sell?
in a you can sell in a month, and but you should have confident about your project, and if prices are high, you can sell um once or twice in a month. Not it's mandatory you
How
have
do you
to
guys
sell.
advertise your flats? How do people know about it?
um
Marketing,
our
basically.
builders prefer to give uh advertising on ABP News,
Hmm.
NDT TV, or News 18, newspapers, FM radios, and other so many platforms.
Very good. Very good.